Italian ricotta lemon cheesecake. Fantastic, simple dish. Very easy. Pretty much a one bowl wonder. Oh, you might need 2 bowls. Cake tin, in the oven it goes, and you'll have a beautiful, creamy consistency dish that will impress your family and friends. Okay, we'll go through all the ingredients. Like I said, it's a handful of ingredients, and then we'll get stuck into making the batter. Very, very simple. I'll just be using a hand mixer, and if you've got a KitchenAid, you can use that as well, but it's so quick, a quick mix in the hand mixer is enough. Okay, the other benefit of this cake, there's no flour, so there's a little bit of corn flour, so it's basically a gluten-free cake. Okay, we'll get stuck into those ingredients. Okay, here we go. Here's our ingredients. There's our drained ricotta. There's our corn flour. Got some vanilla extract. 1 sachet of the Italian vanilla flavour. Some unsalted butter. 3 eggs, which we'll separate. Some white sugar. Couple of lemons. One of the lemons we'll need the rind from, and then we'll extract some juice out of both of those. And then just some icing sugar to dust the cake when it comes out of the oven. That's it. Let's get straight into making the batter. Okay, first thing we do is we separate our eggs. Egg whites until they are firm. When it's not falling out, you know they're ready. Now we've got our egg yolks. We add the sugar, and now we beat this until it's a light yellow. We can now add our ricotta, our lemon rind, our lemon juice, our flavour, a little bag of bustina of Italian flavour, teaspoon of extract, vanilla extract, give this a bit more of a beat now. We're just combining it. Once it's combined, we can now put in our butter and our corn flour. That's it. There's going to be some lumps, but that's fine. We're not looking at getting a perfectly smooth consistency. Now we get our egg whites and we fold it in. We fold in the egg whites. That's it, guys. That is ready. That batter is ready. Cake tin, we line it with paper. Just get some butter, just so the paper sticks around the sides, the bottom. That's it. Okay guys, it's been about 40 minutes. Have a look. That actually looks right. That looks good. That's how you want it. Look at that. Beautiful. We'll make that cool down and we will dust it with some icing sugar and we'll give it a taste. Okay guys, have a look how great that looks. I've dusted it with icing sugar. It's been about 20 minutes. This can be refrigerated, be great in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Oh, have a look at that. It is still nice and warm. I always like tasting the cakes when they're still a bit warm, even though they're just as good cold. Okay, let's taste this. It melts in your mouth. The lemon flavour is just to die for. Guys, this is so simple and it's so beautiful. So please give it a go. Put in the comments how you went and make sure you enjoy it. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. You're going to love this one.